Hello guys, welcome to my new video. 2024 BMW XM Expert Review. Alex Lins. For only the second time in its history, BMW M creates a vehicle of its very own, the XM. This high-performance luxury SUV isn't based on a standard BMW model, instead produced as an expressive interpretation of M's potential. Every XM is a plug-in hybrid, and built in Spartanburg, South Carolina. Competitors to the 2024 BMW XM include the Lamborghini Urus, Mercedes-AMG G63, and Porsche Cayenne Turbo GT. Collapse all Chevron. What's new? Chevron introduced as an all-new model in 2023. The XM gains BMW's highway assistant hands-free driving technology is standard for 2024. Additionally, the powerful XM label variant joins the range this year. What we think Chevron. For what reason does the XM exist if not to be controversial? You don't buy it because you want the quickest and sportiest SUV out there, because the XM isn't it. With features and a layout much like that of a workaday X5, the XM's interior isn't as special as some rivals. Its plug-in hybrid powertrain is still less efficient than that of an all-electric vehicle. If you're looking for some particular superlative, the XM might not have it. But the XM stirs things up like few other vehicles. That's largely owed to its looks, which will repulse some viewers and intrigue others, so it's an enormous, high-powered statement maker. Factor in ire from BMW purists over this luxurious SUV being the first M-only vehicle since the iconic track-derived M1, and the XM's infamy increases. Its ability to attract attention is nearly unparalleled, and those inside might revel in knowing not all will view it favorably. Regardless, the XM is quick, nice inside, and has a useful amount of all-electric driving range. Still, generating opinions seems to be the XM's primary function. BMW XM 0 to 60 miles per hour time. Not the quickest BMW SUV. Chevron. The XM combines a twin-turbocharged 4.4-liter V8 with an electric motor to produce a total output of 644 horsepower and 590 pounds-feet of torque. With an 8-speed automatic transmission and AWD, the 6,000 plus-pound XM launches from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.6 seconds. Even though it's the most powerful BMW SUV, it's not the quickest. The X6M competition does the sprint in 3.3 seconds and the XM60 in 3.2 seconds. Rivals like the Lamborghini Urus Performante and Porsche Cayenne Turbo GT are quicker still. BMW plug-in hybrid SUV driving range. Chevron. As a plug-in hybrid, the XM is a solid option for those who aren't quite ready for a fully electric vehicle. This SUV can use its electric motor to drive, without needing to turn on its V8 engine at all. Electric range comes in at 31 miles, which is only slightly less than a Toyota Prius Prime. With the gas engine in the mix, total range comes to around 300 miles. What is the BMW XM label? Chevron. If the standard XM isn't powerful or exclusive enough, BMW offers the XM label. Yes, just label, not label red as had previously been reported. This strangely named variant packs more power, an even 738 horsepower and 738 pounds-feet of torque, which should make it slightly quicker than the regular XM. A number of chassis enhancements promise improved handling, as well. Exclusive optional red exterior trim stripes and red accented wheels distinguish the label from other XM models. Safety features. Chevron. Although desirable driver assist features cost extra on some BMW models, the XM includes them as standard. Among these are front automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, lane keep assist, and adaptive cruise control. For 2024, BMW's Highway Assistant hands-free driving system becomes standard equipment. Technology. Chevron. A dual-display digital suite sits atop the dashboard, providing the driver with a gauge cluster display and infotainment touchscreen. A head-up display is also included. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in navigation are standard. In addition to several USB-C ports, a wireless charging pad is included. The XM comes with a 16-speaker Harman Kardon audio system as standard and makes a Bowers-Wilkins Diamond Premium arrangement optional. How much does the BMW XM cost? Chevron. The XM is the most expensive BMW model currently in production, with a starting price of just below $160,000, or roughly double the price of a BMW M4. And that's for the standard XM. The XM label is closer to $185,000. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video.